Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we will explore how to use Moz to accurately check domain authority and evaluate a website's SEO strength. I will show you how to analyze domain metrics, understand what domain authority really means, and use this data to compare competitors and make smarter SEO decisions whether you are an SEO beginner or a digital marketing professional. This guide will help you leverage Moz with confidence. Right now, I'm at the website of the Moz. So I have also provided our affiliate link of this website into the description of this video. You can just click on that link which is available in description of video and you will reach to this website. So this is basically the interface of this website. Okay, so when you open this website, you have to scroll down. Okay, and here you will have to look for domain authority. Okay, so you will see this option like domain authority. You just click on this. Okay, and if you have to enter the name of that website for which you want to check the domain authority. Let's suppose we want to check the domain authority of facebook.com. So let's check the DA. So you get 3 free reports per day, but if you want more results, you have to sign up on this website. Okay, I will also show you how to sign up. So it has shown the results about the domain authority of Facebook. Like, it's the domain authority is 96, linking root domains are 68.8 m million, ranking keywords are 53.9 million, and spam score is 1%. And with these metrics are really amazing. In the same way, they have also provided the top linking domains like LinkedIn, WordPress, Microsoft. If you have any other website for which you want to check the domain authority, you just have to enter these details here. Okay, so now I'll show you how you can sign up. So for sign up, you have to click on this login button, and after that you will get an option for the create an account. So I will just select create an account, and we have to enter all the details manually. Okay, so let's write all the details here. So as you can see that I have written all the details, I have filled all the details. Now just select continue or sign up. But before that, it looks like the password is weak. Let's change the password again. So finally we have selected our password. Now click on sign up button. Your browser had temporarily been blocked, so we have to check it again later. There must be some issue with the browser. So that's how you can just simply enter your email and password, and your account will be created, and you will receive a OTP, or you can do one-time password at your email. You just enter the password and your account will be verified, and then you can get more results for your domain authority checking. So that was all about Moz, how you can create an account and how you can check the domain authority. So I will catch you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.